Alright, this is going to be a test of the Simplex 2903 with 2901-9833 horn, and it's on the back plate. As you can see, this is not a 120 volt cord. It's going to a 24 volt DC power supply. So, 3, 2, 1. That's it. And for the final part of the test, we have the Simplex T-bar. Why not? This is the ADT version, the ADT 3403, I should say, because it's not really a Simplex, because it's ADT. So, without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Man, this thing really gives the floor an earthquake. Anyways, that's it.